Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add watermark in Google Docs. Now in order for us to proceed, here is what I have. Let's just go ahead and click the insert button here and we're going to scroll down to watermark. Go ahead and click that and there you go. So here on the left side or here on the right side, you can add an image or a text as watermark. Let's go ahead and try something that I have downloaded. So say for example, this is a watermark right here. Let's go ahead and use that by clicking the select image here, and then we're just going to drag and drop this image of ours or the watermark that we want to add, and it's gonna appear just like so. Now you can definitely do a text as well, or you can also make some adjustments here, but let's try doing a text. I'm gonna click this one, and then let's say the text that I'm gonna do is say watermark, just like so. Now, you can select or adjust formatting here, the transparency, how long or how visible do you want it to be. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and set it to 0 because I think that itself is good. So if you're going to see here, you are now seeing the watermark. And that, everybody, is the easiest way to add a watermark here in your document.